Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions answers. When was General Bank of India established? The first Bank of India, the General Bank of India was established in 1786. List of the bank established by the British East India Company. Bank of Bengal was established in 1809. Bank of Bombay was established in 1840. Bank of Madras was established in 1843. When was Allahabad Bank was established? In the year 1865. Exclusively by Indians, this bank was established. When was Punjab National Bank established? Punjab National Bank established in 1894. Initially headquarters at Lahore. Right now it is in New Delhi. What is the full form of IDF? Infrastructure Debit Funds. What is the full form of NDS? Negotiated Dealing System. What is the full form of OMO? Open Market Operations. When was Imperial Bank of India was established? So at present it is State Bank of India, 1921. When was Industrial Finance Corporation of India established? IFCI, 1948. When was UTI established? February 1st, 1964. When was Exim Bank established? 1st January 1982. When was Life Insurance Corporation of India established? September 1956. When was General Insurance Corporation established? November 1972. What was the Risk Capital and Technology Finance Corporation was established? March 1975. When was Technology Development and Information Corporation of India was established? 1989. When was Infrastructure Leasing and Finance Services was established? 1988. What is meant by prepaid card? These cards are not linked to any account. The amount available in the prepaid cards should be used. After that, this card will not be useful. What is meant by inland bill? Bill which is used within a nation boundary. For example, bill is raised within India, both the parties from India, then this will be called as inland bill. What is meant by foreign bill? Drawer and a drawee both are from a different country. For example, drawer from India and drawee from US, then it will be called as foreign bill. What is meant by demand bill? It should be paid on demand. Whenever party demands, this bill will be paid. What is meant by time or usance bill? So these bills will be linked to one period. After that period, it should be paid. It may be 3 months, 1 year, 6 years, 10 years. What is meant by clean or non-documentary bills? Normally, bills will be linked with lorry receipt or railway receipt, but these documents, clean document means accepted without being attached to the document. So these bills will not contain any attachment documents. What is meant by bearer bill? So on the date of payment, who is carrying this bill, the amount will be paid to the person. What is meant by order bill? Order bill will be assigned to a person whose name is written as a payee. So this amount will be paid to payee only. First Rural Regional Bank, Pratham Bank, sponsored by Syndicate Bank. First bank to introduce blockchain technology in India, ICICI Bank. First Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Osborne Smith. First Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, James B. Taylor. Number of zonal offices of RBI, 4. Total number of regional offices of RBI, 22. Paper note was issued after passing which act? Currency Act of 1861. Management of currency and coins by RBI, 20 offices across India, 4,422 currency chests and 3,784 small coin depots. Reserve system to issue currency. 40% of the value of total currency issued in gold and foreign exchange reserves. So for example, gold and foreign exchange reserves are 100 crores. You can issue 40 crores currency to the market. When was Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India established? 13 January 2006. Language on the currency notes, 17 languages, 2 on the front side and 15 on the back side. Printing of the 1 rupee note and 2 rupee notes was discontinued in the year 1995. When was 500 and 1000 rupees banned? November 8, 2016. When was first demonetization happened? 12th January 1946. When was second demonetization was happened? January 16, 1978. When RBI introduced the Clean Note Policy? 2001. Anti-Money Laundering Act comes under Preventive of Money Laundering Act 2002. What is the full form of EDLI? Employees Deposit Linked Insurance Scheme. When Benami Transaction Act was rolled out? 1988. What is the full form of GAR? General Anti-Avoidance Rule. When was GAR introduced in India? 16th March 2012. What is the full form of DTC? Direct Taxes Code. What is the full form of DTAA? Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. What is the full form of SPMCIL? Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. What is the full form of IDA? International Development Association. When was IDA established? 1960. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe. You have any queries, call me or send me a mail.